So, to give us the lecture, let us all welcome Mr. Ruben Fulanan, our expert or astronomer for the space sciences and astronomy section.
Ito kayo sa loob ng theater. Press ko dito. Ay, dito sila lahat. Wala pa, mamaya. Dito muna kayo.
Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to the inaugural ceremony of the Department of Science and Technology, Pag-asa. A planetarium is a replica of the real night sky. So we are going to simulate day into night, the night into day. And the orientation inside as well as outside are both the same. Sakali mo kung may natutunan tayo dito ng Quezon City, ita sa latitude of around 14.6. Pag pumunta naman po kayo ng Batanes, ita sa latitude of around 22 degrees. Pag pumunta naman po kayo sa south, the latitude of Polaris, say sa Zamboanga, ita sa latitude of 5 degrees. It is because the latitude of Polaris is always perpendicular to the latitude of the place. So Polaris is not a constellation. This is just an asterism. It looks like a question mark or that deeper. The actual constellation is Ursa Major, the big bear in the sky. Okay. And Big Dipper, while North Star Polaris, yan po ay bumubuo din ng another constellation, yan naman po yung Ursa Minor. The small bear in the sky. Okay. So, yung ating pong kalangitan ay nahahati po yan sa 88 division of constellation. So we have here the boundaries, constellation names, the constellation arms. Okay. Doon po sa 88 division of constellation, 12 among them are zodiacal constellation. Ito po yung red line. Yan po sa red line, yung po yung ating ecliptic. Sa ecliptic po encircles the 12 zodiacal constellations. Let's start with Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra. Then we have here Scorpio. Then we have Sagittarius. Kung saan, itong mga zodiacal constellations serve as the address of the different celestial objects. Ano po yung mga celestial objects? Andiyan po yung planeta, araw, buwan. So, bawat group meron tayo. Kaya po dito sa Sagittarius, nandiyan po ang dwarf planet Ceres. Dito po sa Capricorn, nandiyan naman po si Pluto at saka yung ating moon. Dito po si Saturn sa Aquarius, si Neptune. Sa Pisces naman, located naman po si Mars. Then we have here Aries. Sa Taurus the Bull, nandiyan naman po si Mercury, si Venus, at si Jupiter. And we have here Gemini, Cancer. Then we have here Leo, followed by Virgo. Then followed by Libra. Then Scorpio. Sagittarius. That will bring the 12 zodiacal as well as the 88 division of constellation. Okay. So again, the rising of our zodiac sign Aquarius marks the end of my presentation. And we are of Agasa DOST, kami mo ay malugod na nagpapasalamat for sparing your precious time with us. Once again,